Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add to my list on Netflix. If you want to add movies or TV shows to your list on Netflix, here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your web browser to get started and go to the URL box and type in netflix.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're inside, go ahead and find the title or a movie or a TV show you want to add to my list. You can go ahead and find the show or the content from the home page, or you can use the search icon at the top right and type in the name of a specific content that you want to add to my list. After you find the content that you want to add, go ahead and mouse over to it and then click on this little plus button where it says add to my list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the specific content to my list on Netflix. You can find your My List section at the top from the home page of Netflix, and you will also be able to see all of the movies and TV shows you've added to the list. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.